What's going on, guys? JSGC here, and we're here for another vlog. Today we are at IKEA in Manchester. More specifically, it's in Ashton-Under-Lyne, but we are here to go and have a look and buy some of our stuff for our house that we're going to be buying, and hopefully pretty soon. We're talking end of the year, beginning of next year. We're hoping to have that all completed. So what we're going to be doing today is we're just going to go into IKEA and we're going to be buying some stuff. Pretty much, we're going to be looking for some drawers, fold-up chairs. I'm looking for a desk, a new desk for the JSGC office is what we're looking for today, for everyone to look forward to, and also some other bits and bobs. We're just going to have a look around and see what they've got. We are facing the problem of, we've measured up my car. The desk is 200, I think it's 210 centimetres, and my car, when measuring, it's going to be a tight fit, so we're hoping, fingers crossed, that will fit, but we do have some contingencies in mind if it doesn't, so hopefully we'll be able to get that sorted. We're also looking, it's all getting very serious this, but we're looking for some moving boxes as well, for all our stuff that we've already bought and put to one side and stuff. So just going to vlog my experience here at IKEA and just the general buying stuff and moving stuff and getting everything ready for us to buy our house, pretty much. So do stay tuned for that. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new around here. Leave a thumbs up if you did enjoy this video. Go and check out my social media links. They're in the description below and sliding across at the bottom of the screen if you want to go and follow me on my Twitter and Instagram. Email also in the description below too if you want to hit me up for any sponsorships for any videos or any general business inquiries. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and do stay tuned for more vlogs coming up very soon for you guys to enjoy. So I'll see you in IKEA. Let's go. What do we think of this chair for my desk? For future reference. Also got a coffee table. That's what we're going for, but in dark grey. That's the top. The legs are over there. Now I've got our fold-up chairs. Just going to need 4 of them. Will do. And our drawers. We have got 2 glass cups for the coffee machine that we've got. It's all getting very real now, moving boxes. There's the mirror that we'd like. We're not getting this today. There's me. That's a really nice big mirror. Our drawers are there. We have to take that to the checkout, pay for it, and then collect it at the front. It said ask a member of staff. We're just here on aisle 20 to go and pick up the top of the desk, and we're going to see just how big it is and whether it's going to fit into my car. Of course it is the furthest one away. There it is. Looks pretty long, that. We've taken it off here, it keeps dropping down. I'm going to use that for the drawers, so instead we put it in the trolley, and there's our trolley. They didn't have any black legs, but they have got 5 white ones, so we're going for the dark grey top, and then it's 5 white legs. We'll see if it works. Mix and match. It's checkout time. Let the fun begin. The first worry's over. We're in. Look at this. Oh, it fits. And there's a little bit of room for charm there. We've got the front seat down as well. We made it work. We need to go back in now because we're going to go and change the legs and get some extendable ones because it's a little bit too short for my liking. There we go. Them ones go in. Extendable black ones. That's what we're looking for. To go and get them exchanged. Get them in the car and get out of here. We've been here now for 2.5 hours. We're done. Goodbye, IKEA. And there it all is. We are back from IKEA. We ended up spending a grand total of £317.50. That includes a new tabletop for my desk. There's 5 legs included. They're all expandable legs. So the first ones we bought, they were too short. They cost us £12.50. We've had them refunded at customer service, and then we bought the extendable ones, which were all £12.50 each. Also bought our drawer sets, our chest of drawers, which were they 170, I think it's 170, 180 pounds, something like that. The desk has ended up costing around 85. We've bought 4 fold-up chairs, 4 candles, and anything else, and 2 glass cups for a coffee machine. We managed to fit it all into the car, get it back, get it upstairs. We've got our boxes now, our 10 boxes as well that we bought from IKEA. So we're going to go and put all the stuff that we've already got into boxes, get everything organised, so that we've got a rough idea of what we've got, what we need, ready to go. The first box, it's packed. And Charles writes in fragile glasses and candles. I might also have forgotten 2 glasses, which I later found, but I don't want to talk about that. How cool is our burger flipper from Hard Rock Cafe as well? And our coasters.
They're not cool.
They are.
They're really not. They're going in the bin.
No, they're not. Nice! Look at that, knives and forks, all our stuff for the kitchen. Essentials like a cheese grater. And we've got an oven mitt from M&M World. It's cool. You have all the essentials like a Nimbus 2000 bauble from Harry Potter Studios in Watford. 2 down. 8 more to go.
Stop it!
Don't we do a box? Whack my camera.
On my face in your vlog.
It's not in it. Done. This is cool. We also have a night bus cushion. We've got a hand mixer. We've got a mini chopper. We've got a mini bin. We've got a thing where you put the plates that doesn't fit into the box. Well, that's not good. Oh dear. Oh dear. Yeah, that's not going in the box. Should we put all this stuff in there that we've got here? We haven't got a box. A lot of stuff that we've got, our stuff here. They're all bagged and boxed already. So I don't think we'll get through all 10 boxes for our stuff that we've got. But we're obviously going to need some boxes for some of our other stuff as well, which will come at a much later date, like right before we're moving, pretty much. So we'll see. Sean's that organised, she's even bought a bowl for stuffing for Sunday dinners, and we've got a little casserole dish too. Another box done. Just over 2 hours later, there's our boxes we've got from IKEA today. Tabletop there, it's not our door by the way. Boxes here, fold up chairs here. I'll just move these. You can see more boxes and boxes. We've also got, there's our rubbish, so ignore that. More boxes, more boxes, more stuff just over here as well. It's a lot of stuff. But that's been today's video of our trip to IKEA, and also giving you a little insight into how our getting our stuff for our house is going. So don't forget, if you want to stay tuned for more house type things coming up as we head closer towards completion date and us actually moving in, then do subscribe, press that red button, press the bell and put your push notifications on. Leave a thumbs up if you did enjoy this video. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below too with what you made of this video. Also don't forget to go and check out my social media links there in the description below, and sliding across at the bottom of the screen if you want to go and follow me on my Twitter and Instagram. My email also in the description below below too if you want to hit me up for any sponsorships for any videos or any general business inquiries, and I'll see you all again very soon. So I've been JSGC. Thank you everyone for watching. Peace. Ciao for now.